Oh hi guys. Here is my friend here. Wait, why is my screen here? Get out of here. And where is my friend?
Hello.
Oh my goodness. Bro, you scared me.
Ha ha ha.
Bro, stop laughing. Pleasee.
Okay, fine.
Well, hi, and today video, I'm making gman screams sound like steak.
Yeah.
Who are you talking to?
The people.
Okay, I guess. So let's go. Now I have to add the video. Oh, I used the wrong one. And I need to delete the defuke. Boom. Bye. Wait, I will put the steak scream on gman. Oh wait, I go to the wrong minute. Now we'll put the steak scream. Our ears. Oh wow. And I copy. And let's see it. Here we go. Oh my screen, sorry.
Edit, where is my phone?
Shut up. I'm skipping the video. And that's perfectly. The end.